quarter notes. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1. 1, 1, 1. This is a nice clip. We're in a nice clip here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with this one, go back to the previous one. Or you can go back to whole notes. That's okay. That's allowed. 1, 3, 4. 1. 1, 3, 4. You're doing great. Yeah. Hopefully you're having as much fun as I am. Really. I could do this all day. I really could. 2, 3, 4. Listening to how I support my fellow musicians. Contemplating the sound that I'm putting out into the world. You're allowed to be energetic with it. You don't have to be passive with this. Be energetic. Put something into it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah.